Hey friends, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to talk about mail merging. So mail merging involves using a single document to share it to different recipients. Maybe let's say you have one letter and you want to share it to about 4 different people. So I have prepared my information in this Word document. I prepared my letter. I want to share it to a group of people, and I've already prepared my information in this Excel document. So we shall start by opening this Word document. So when I open this Word document, this is a template of what I have. So I want to share this letter to a group of different people. So we want to use this same letter. Then we are going to personalize the details of the name, the address, and the email, but using a reference of this letter. So we shall start by going to the mailings. Click here. So when you click mailings, it will bring for us these different options. We click on start a mail merge. So when they bring for us start a mail merge, we have different options. There is letters, email, messages, envelopes, labels, directory, and what have you. So I could choose from one of these, but I want us to use the step-by-step mail merge wizard. So this wizard will give us the protocol to follow in case we want to mail merge. So I click on it. Once I do click on it, right here it's going to show us the 6 steps that are going to be involved in mail merging this document. So here we are being requested to select a document type, and the document type that we are selecting is a letter, so which is already chosen here. Then we go to the next step. That will be step 2. The next step, yes, so step 2, we are being requested to select the stating document. So here we have 3 options. From these 3 options, since I already prepared my document, it's the current document we are using. When I click on it, I go ahead and go to the next step. So step 3 would involve selecting the recipients, whereby we can use from one of these 3 options. You can either use an existing list, type a new list, or select from an outlook of contacts. But since I already formed my information in the other Excel that I earlier on showed you, so I will use an existing list already. So using this existing list, I'm going to browse my information. So browsing the information means I'm going to select a recipient list file from what I already have. So when I browse, I'm going to restore down this a little so that I can go ahead and open my Excel. So when I open my Excel, this is the information that I want us to browse, and the document is already saved as merge information. So when I restore this down, or I can close it for now, then I maximize this. Yes, so to browse the information, yes, when I click on browse information, this is the information I'll get. So they're requesting me to put in the file name, but I already saw that my file is on the desktop and it was saved as merge information. So when I click on merge information and then I open it, it shows me that this is the only sheet I have on that Excel document. which is here. You can clearly see the information, and these are the names that I want to add to my letters. So I can choose to sort the information, I can filter, I can find duplicates, I can find recipient, I can validate addresses, or in case I don't need any of these as a recipient, I just remove the tick and go on. But since I need all of them, I'm going to go ahead and press OK. So when I press OK, I've already finished to browse my information. So I'll go ahead and go to the next step, which is step 4. So step 4, we are required to insert a merge field. So inserting a merge field, I would come there and put the cursor, sorry, just a moment. I put the cursor here, then I insert the merge field. So here I need a title. So when I click on title, I insert. So meaning at this point they are going to show me, they're going to indicate the different titles. I can choose to put some space there. Then where my cursor is, I insert another merge field. When I insert another merge field, I need the name to be there, so I insert it there. When I insert it there, sorry, I clicked many times, sorry about that. When I insert the name, that is what is going to appear there. Then I can go ahead and put my cursor where I need to be. Let's say, for example, I want to put the other names just below there. Go ahead and I insert. So right there, that's where the other names will appear. So I insert again. Then the other information is the email address. Let's say we need to insert it right below sincerely here. So I go ahead and still insert the email. There we go. So that's where it will be inserted. When I'm done with that, I'm going to go to the next step. So the next step, I can preview my results. So previewing my results means I can be able to see the changes that I have made, and these are the changes. You now realize the letter, this first letter has been dedicated to Miss Inyopo Kevin, and this is her email account. Then when I go ahead and click here in front, it shows me the next person, Mr. Kandia Eric. Then you realize his email address right here. Then the next person I also wanted to send to, Mr. Obura. Then you also realize his email address is here. Then also the other person. So you realize the different people are going to be able to receive the information. When you're done previewing your results, so now you already have an outlook of the letter that is going to be sent to the different recipients. Now there I can go ahead to the last step, the second last step of completing the merge. So completing the merge, I will come here at finish and merge. So at finish and merge, when you click on it, I have options of edit individual documents, print documents, send an email message. So since we can choose on the one of sending the email messages, so here when you get this tab, we have an email here, and then the subject name, maybe let's say it's an appreciation letter. Maybe it's an appreciation letter being forwarded to the different people. And then here we are choosing which kind it is. Is it an attachment? Is it a plain text? And then for this matter, we are going to use an HTML. Then we want to send all the records. And then we can go ahead and say okay. So when we put okay, we've finished and merged our information. That is step 5. Then the last step, just a moment, it is taking some time to process the information. So when we finish the merge, sorry about this, the computer is a little bit slow. So that is it basically. We are done with creating our letter. It is going to be able to be sent to different people. After finishing the merge, that is it. So we can be able to share this to various people. Thank you so much, friends, for tuning into my YouTube channel. For any of these more interesting lessons on how to use various computer techniques, kindly press the bell button to subscribe, follow and like my videos. Thank you so much. Have a good evening.